YouTube. Been a while. Got some cool content for you, man. This one is about an induction heater. Take a look, y'all. Real world shit, man. Corroded bolt. Right now, this one is a oxygen sensor. It's a 2000 Toyota Tundra. So the nut's frozen. Bought this damn Craftsman. Part number is 87.956. It says that it's good for rounded fasteners, up to 70%. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it definitely is probably yeah, that's, I mean, yeah, it looks pretty bad, bro. So I'm gonna try it, and let's see. So, single-handed recording. Bear with me. All right, so. Not gonna work there. Yeah, that's pretty flush, right? What do you think? Yep. And we're gonna try it, and it slips. No good, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try Hot Rod. Is the brand. It's an induction heater. I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay. So, if you got a pacemaker, don't use this shit, according to what the instruction says. Do not use this if you have a pacemaker. What it does is use it electromagnetic. And that's how this shit works. So here goes. So that's a real test. Hold on, y'all. 3, 2, 1, go. Buttons depressed. And now I just let you know I'm using my actual camper van. Good cooking this sucker, man. Does it work? Absolutely. Now, this nut is a 12 millimeter. 11 would be too small. 7/16 is a hair smaller or larger than an 11. Yeah, larger than 11. And what that does, if you get a 12 point, you got a good chance to go ahead and extract it. Right now we're doing a cook-off, man. I don't know if you can see it, but she's gone. Is it working? Absolutely. Look at that, man. She's freaking glowing. Holy shit. Huh? So, does it work? Absolutely. Yep. I sprayed it with penetrating oil, and now we're just giving a real world test. Alright, y'all. So Now, alright, so we heat it up with the induction heater, 12.716 socket. Hold on. Alright, sorry I missed it, but anyhow, all I did was bang it. That sucker was slipping, as you saw. Banged it on there. Thought the socket wasn't going to hold, but that shit did it, man. So it's like a new cheat code on lock, to be honest. You know, yeah. I hope it helps. Tips and tricks, my friends. Good luck on your journey, man. You know, always, sometimes there's new technology available. This one was, this dude right here, Hot Rod, and I am not getting an endorsement up to this date. Maybe later on. But right now, nothing. So, it's good. Alright, there you go. Good luck. Nice.